Yeah, hi guys. Once again, my name is Sanjaya Jena, and this video is a small video I like to present on is a Boolean string and what exactly the differentiation between the Boolean string and the keyword and how to look into JD job descriptions. And suppose let's we start about and if like we see at the job descriptions that is something any developer or any Java the front end or middleware, let's say SOA or with the REST and SOAP that's connecting to cloud, and if there is any database, let's say Oracle, SQL or IBM platform or any database or mainframe or anything, if what exactly the job requirement is, that we have to understand what are the skills that we have to note it down. Those are the skills, what are the prime, what are the mandatory, and what are the optional, and what are the either or is nice to have skills. So those are the skills. So many people have the wrong intentions in the mind that the skills are is something and we have to make with the skills that is Boolean. Okay, so what is the Boolean here and what is the skills here? The Boolean is nothing but the combinations of one particular sentence or anything that we are making with the and or not with the special characters, that is inverted commas with the bracket and with the putting of asterisk. Those are the things like the special things that we have to use it, and by using of those things then we have to filtering out the what exactly our requirement according to that just profile. So this is, let's say, for US or India, for any country this Boolean string it is mandatory. If there is the some country, if there is some portals we have that is the keyword, then we can give the keyword that is by comma. And but still is a Boolean string nothing but and or not, and with the bracket we have to put the bracket, we have to put inverted commas wherever it is necessary, we have to give asterisk, we have to search out the profile. Okay, we say that those are the skills in the technical in IT. So what if you are going to recruit for the non-IT? So how to find it out the skills? What if you are going to recruit for the freshers candidates? So what is the skill? So what is if somebody going to recruit for pharma, somebody going for insurance domain, somebody going to recruit for like any help desk kind of thing, somebody going to recruit for packaging engineer, is somebody going to recruit for voice engineer, non-voice chat technical support, L1 support, if somebody going to use for anything like it's like no it's or like technical recruiter. So what are the here skill that is nothing but we have one profile, right? In the profile, so what exactly the recruiters or talent acquisitions or HR, their eyesight should be in such a way. So what are the things are in the profile? Most of the those, let's say we are hunting for salespeople, they are using that the keywords, and most of the, let's say we are hunting for something into pharma, they are using for those are the pharma things that, or that is in non-IT, not pharma technical, it's a non-IT, something into representative kind of thing, medicine representative, or into something into uh, pharma, that is sales manager, area supervisor, that's all into pharma or medical. If there is any field supervisor or technician, electromagnetic technician, electrical technician, or civil contractor. So if you are going to recruit or any for medical devices in particular, anything that is just completely into non-IT and there is no scope. So skill means what is, there is something the particular tools or something particular programming, or the skill is somebody is specialized at, that is skills. If somebody there is not needed anything, nothing but we need something, there is no such skills are there, then we have to look for such profile. So now how to hunting such profile here? So we have to know that a skill is nothing but what are the things that we are looking at the profile. So we are looking for, let's say, great communication, we can put the communications. If the wherever in the profile there is a communication, it will be highlighted all the communications. If they are going to putting ear, it will be ear. If let's say like one profile, and we are finding out that is uh, the profile for the HR, but that HR into more into pharma, and that HR recruited more into technically the pharma, technically pharma, no the people inside the company for any pharmaceutical client. And if we have like now this those pharma, if you're going to put the keywords in nothing but skills by putting up and or not, nothing but making the boolean string completely, you're going to putting out that recruiter profile going to be fetching out. So here that we can put the boolean string is nothing but what are the things that words that we want to that put in order to fetching the profile. Even you can put by skill, you can put by what exactly we need, even we can put by the role, what exactly role we are looking for. Sometimes what happen, the role is not going to work out, so skill is working out, or what exactly we are looking for, that exactly working out. So this is all about the boolean and string, and this is for all portals for all country. Is not something domestic India or US or Singapore or Australia or UK. It is for everywhere. This string is going to work out. Only the UI changes. About the portal, they have the UI changes, there's nothing else there. Recruiting is the common field for any country, any region. There's no specifically for domestic. If a domestic people, if having the net neutral accent skill, can able to recruit for Singapore, Dubai, UK, USA, any country that a candidate can able to recruit, provided that the candidate has to have that particular domain experiences for that domain, what exactly client is looking for. If the client looking domain and technical and how to see the profile for that particular domain, what are the profiles are needed, then recruiter or senior recruiter, talent acquisition or HR or business developer, whoever would be the right fit for the role. And thank you a lot, and have a wonderful day.